Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a strong and secure password for your Microsoft account. Let's start with the basics. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long. It's crucial to use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols for added security. So let's click here. This one. So please check your email address for the code and you need to enter it here. So let's check for the code. So here's the code. I will copy it and then paste here. Now click verify. So we'll just click no thanks for now. Now we're here in the change your password window. So please avoid using common words, phrases, or easily guessable information like your name, birth date, or password. Instead, think of something unique. Consider using fast phrases, a series of random words, or a sentence only you would understand. For example, blue sky, and then input a dollar sign, and then three, and then exclamation point, and then followed by mountain. So blue sky, uh, dollar sign, and then three, exclamation point, mountain. This is a much stronger password than, for example, password 123. So if remembering complex passwords is a challenge, you can use a trusted password manager to generate and store your password securely. So lastly, if you're comfortable with two-factor authentication, you can enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This requires a second verification step like a text message or an app in addition to your password. And that's it. You now know how to create a strong and secure password for your Microsoft account. Remember, your online security matters, and a strong password is your first line of defense. Take a few minutes to update your Microsoft account password today, and you'll be better protected online. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a strong and secure password for your Microsoft account. See you on my next video.